Welcome back to episode 2 of restoring the putting green at our local driving range.
How you going, guys? Today we'll be installing irrigation for the putting green. We're using a Hunter Bluetooth system. We can control it from an app with our phone. We'll be on a 2-zone system as well with turf sprayers.
Start off, we're going to just trench around the green to run the main lines to each of our sprinkler heads.
And we're digging a hole for the valve box. Pretty simple.
What's a valve box?
What do you mean? You question me? You're here to work. Well, we're digging a hole now for the valve box. It's where solenoids go into. We're running blue line from the tap, the backflow to the solenoids.
Just finished setting up the check valve. That plumbs up to the tap. Now that's going to be always pressurized all the way to the valve box just over there. So we've just finished wiring up the valves and connecting them to our main lines. We actually ended up not needing the Bluetooth controller because there was already a wired Wi-Fi controller on site, so we just connected into that. So as you can see here, we're all done with the irrigation setup. Controllers all wired in, valve checks all done, all the sprinkler heads are sitting at soil level. Thanks for watching episode 2. Tune back in for episode 3 where we begin the renovation on the green.